Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all to computer class. Today, we will read the next part or the rest of the part of lesson 3, more on MS Paint. So let's start. In the previous class, we have learned about selecting an object, and there is two kinds of selection: rectangular selection and freeform selection. Rectangular selection, this selects a rectangular area in the drawing, and the freeform selection selects an area of any shape in the drawing. Okay, so let's start reading. Rectangular selection. To perform a rectangular selection, follow these steps. Click the select tool. Then, in the drop-down menu, select Rectangular Selection. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it around the area you want to select. Release the button when the desired area is selected. Now you can make changes to the selected part. Next is Freeform Selection. To make a freeform selection, follow these steps. Click the Select tool. In the drop-down menu, select Freeform Selection. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it around the area you want to select. Release the button when the desired area is selected. Now you can make changes to the selected part. So in this way, we can do two kinds of selection, that is rectangular selection and freeform selection. When we select a part of our drawing using the select tool, a part of the background also gets selected. To remove this background, select transparent selection in the drop-down menu of the select tool. Next, copying an object. We may want to repeat an object in our drawing. For that, we can use the copy option. It makes a copy of any object in our drawing which can be used as many times in the file as we want. To copy an object, follow these steps. First one, select the object that needs to be copied under the select tool, about which we had learned earlier. Then click copy in the clipboard group of the home tab. Next, click paste in the clipboard group. A copy of the object appears at the top left corner of the canvas. You can drag it to any location you want. So by following these steps, we can copy an object in the drawing. Now moving an object. We may want to change the location of an object in our drawing. Instead of erasing it and redrawing it in another location, we can simply move the object to the desired location. We can do this using the cut option. So by using the cut option, we can move an object in the drawing. To move an object, follow these steps. Select the object that needs to be moved using the select tool. Then click cut in the clipboard group of the home tab. The object disappears from the canvas. Click paste in the clipboard group. The object reappears at the top left corner of the canvas. Now you can drag and move it to any location you want. So by using these steps, by following the steps, we can move an object in our drawing. Zooming a drawing. While working on MS Paint, we may want to take a closer look at our drawing. We have the zoom group in the view tab to help us do that. Then what is zoom in? Zoom in. This makes our drawing appear bigger and lets us take a closer look at it. By zooming in, we can make changes to any small part of our drawing. Next is zoom out. Zoom out. This makes our drawing appear smaller and provides us its overall look. It helps us view the complete drawing to see if our changes are correct. So, two types of zooming is there, zoom in and zoom out. To zoom in, follow these steps. Click the View tab, then click zoom in to increase the size of the drawing. And how to zoom out? We have to click the view tab and then click zoom out to decrease the size of the drawing. Now we can also use zoom in out using the zoom slider at the bottom right corner of the paint window. So we can zoom in and zoom out either by following the steps, or we can also use zoom slider to zoom in and zoom out our drawing. Setting a drawing as desktop background. So we can set our drawing as our desktop background. To set our drawing as the desktop background, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select Set as Desktop Background from the menu options. Select any of the three options shown in the submenu: Fill, Tile and Center. Fill. What is the meaning of fill? The drawing fills the entire desktop. So by clicking on Fill option, the drawing fills the entire desktop. Tile. The drawing repeats itself and fills the desktop. And Center. The drawing appears in the middle of the screen. So in this way, we can set a drawing as our desktop background. Then printing a drawing. To print a drawing, follow these steps. Click the File tab, then click Print. Select Print from the submenu options. The Print dialog box appears. Select the printer and click Print in the dialog box. We can also use the shortcut key to print our drawing. That is Ctrl plus P. So by clicking on Ctrl and P, we can print a drawing. Dear children, homework for you today is read lesson 3 more on MS Paint and also try to understand all these steps. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.